Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a camera test comparison between the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. We're gonna test out everything: video quality, ultra-wide shots, stabilization, zoom, and night mode. This video is recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second. The iPhone 17 Pro Max rocks triple 48 megapixel cameras on the back. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is flexing with a 200 megapixel main camera, two telephoto lenses, one's a 50 megapixel periscope, the other a 10 megapixel telephoto, and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide. This is the ultra-wide video at 4K 60 frames per second. The iPhone's colors just pop more. They look more natural, while the Samsung sometimes boosts them a little extra. Next up, stabilization test. Both are solid, no doubt, but if you're into smoother, more cinematic vibes, the iPhone edges out the S25 Ultra here. It just feels a bit steadier, especially when walking or panning. Let's do the optical zoom test. So the iPhone 17 Pro Max has a 48 megapixel telephoto with 4 times optical zoom, and the Galaxy's packing a 50 megapixel telephoto with 5 times optical zoom. Here is the optical zoom again, but this time in bad lighting. The iPhone actually keeps things sharper and clearer, while the S25 Ultra gives you a bit more zoom, but sacrifices some detail and color accuracy. The iPhone just looks cleaner here. Moving on to night video, both phones are impressive, no doubt. But if you look closely, the iPhone footage comes out a little brighter, especially in darker spots. Quick autofocus test now. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is locking focus super fast and super accurate. Here is the ultra-wide video of iPhone 17 Pro Max. And this is the ultra-wide video of Galaxy S25 Ultra. And finally, the photo showdown. Daylight, low light, and night mode. We'll put them all side by side so you can decide which one looks better to you. Honestly, it's wild how close these cameras are, but you'll definitely see where each one shines. So that's the full iPhone 17 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy 25 Ultra camera test. Which one would you pick after seeing all this? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I really want to know if you're Team iPhone or Team Galaxy. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this test. And of course, subscribe if you want more camera battles like this. Catch you in the next one.